sucked at doing voiceover because I don't know what's going on with my microphones. We're going to get this build kind of going. Went with the Mofo TorqueBeastX motor for this build. Sorry. Of course, I have the Mofo axles. It's Mofo chassis and everything like that. I will do my best with this voiceover to get it done properly. In this video, I've got the draft shafts. We'll install those. I also have, I think I've already had all the links put in the last video. I'm not 100% sure, but I don't know what I'm doing with my hands at this point. But getting everything situated. I'm debating on what shocks to go with. I had the Hard Park RC with this little spinners on them. They're carbon fiber, so your shocks don't bind up when you turn. And I also have the INJORA big bore shocks. I think they're both 39 millimeters in length. But also looking at the axles, if you don't grease your axles or you have to replace something, you don't have to take your servo off these mounts or off the front mount. You just have to undo 4 bolts in the back, and that's it. And pull the cover off. Of course, you'll have to take your links and your diff cover off, but it makes it really easy to do that. But I think that's about it for this video, or the start of this video. I'm hoping I get my audio issues resolved here pretty soon, because I'm probably not very good at voiceovers. I've never done it and never had to do it, but you know, we'll get these shocks and everything installed, and hopefully the rest of the audio is good on this. All right, we got the shocks, not shocks. Boy, struggling, man. The links and everything on. I think everything looks pretty good. The rear housing has the link riser built in. It has a lot of adjustment in it, so we will take that into consideration. We might have to move some things around on that. I don't think. And I also like these axles. I mean, they're basically stock Scx24. Like, all the mounting positions are the same as the stock mounting positions. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to cheat a little bit, and we're just going to leave the body mounts where they are right now. And we're just going to take out 1 screw, and that's what we're going to use for mounting our shocks temporarily. Later on down the road, you know, we might have to take them off and redo them, find a different, basically find a different angle to run them on. I don't think we're going to run into that many problems. I mean, it's a class 1, so you're not going to have a lot of adjustment, or not adjustment. I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. I mean, we can go back a couple more holes on it. There's plenty of adjustments. But it's class 1, and I'm not sure. A lot of the comps seem to have their own rules. Like, we can move it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 basic holes we can run it on. I mean, I guess you could come down lower on the chassis and run it here, and the same thing in the back. But we're just going to use our body post as our mount for now on the front and the rears. I've lost a shock somewhere, so that's not great. Found the shock I'm looking for. Yeah, if we want to go back, they provide some nuts to put in. So if we do decide to change it, it won't be that hard to. It won't be hard to change everything out. And with class 1, I believe you have a tire limit. I think it's 57 millimeter. I do have some 57 millimeter tires that I plan on running on this. So, and they are INJORA. But there's a lot of brands of tires out there. INJORA, LGRP. I don't know if DJ Crawler makes any 57 millimeter tires. And wheels can be stock wheels or be locks. They have to be a one piece tire though. You can run your tires vented. I'm trying to think. There's so many different rules. I don't know all the rules. There's a bunch of them though. But check with your local clubs or get with somebody that's already crawling in your area in comps and see what they say about it. And we're going to take a poll once I get this going and try to figure out what body to run on it. Like I said, I have a base camp body, bumpers and everything. I have a Wrangler body that's a little bit beat up. But I don't think I have a front bumper for it, so I'd have to get the bumper for that. I don't know. It's a decision that's going to have to be made. I got to figure out what receiver I want to run with this. I do have a couple of INJORA receivers. So I could run one of those. I have a hot RC receiver. I could run a 2-in-1. like a stock axial one. I don't think I have any extras laying around. I have the 2-in-1 ESCs, but I don't think I have a receipt or a transmitter, because I've used kind of just part and piece a lot of that stuff together. But I don't know how well y'all can see that. That's the chassis though. I had to redo the audio in the first part of this video. I guess I'm doing a voiceover on it because again it messed up. But we'll get it done. We'll figure out a body. But that's basically it for now. I think I like the big bore shocks. I don't know. We'll see if I need to change out to the hard part shocks if we're getting a lot of rubbing, because the hard part have like a carbon fiber ring around it that keeps your tires from rubbing on your springs and your shock. So, but that's it for today, guys. Sorry about the audio and everything. Again, hit the like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. If you have any questions, just shoot me a message. In the meantime, stay safe and have a great day.